Are you trying to make money online, but finding that there are way too many get-rich-quick offers to sort through? Do you start fresh every Monday, fail, then vow to start again with the same old making money online strategies that just don't work? You need to learn the 3 secrets to online success and stop caving into the you can make money without doing anything scams that are out there. You need to find an opportunity where the customer pays you directly. And then you need to focus on that one business and that one business only, so you can quickly make $50,000 online or more your first year. Now, what are the 3 secrets? Market a product or system where you are paid 50% or more per conversion. 2. Get paid directly from your customer without having the money go to a company first. And 3, video marketing. Why? Here are just a few reasons. Video drives a 157% increase in organic traffic from search engines like Google. Videos up to 2 minutes long get the most engagement. 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. Video on a landing page can increase conversions by 80% or more. And native videos on Facebook have 10 times higher reach compared to just posting YouTube links. But wait, why are you thinking, but I am scared to make a video? There are ways to market with video without ever making a video. This changes everything. Click the link in the description and I will give you my free training, teaching you how easily you can get paid 50% directly to your account and market with video without ever making a video. Make this the year you finally make over $50,000 online. Click the link below in the description for your free training, and I'll see you on the inside.